This show is really good tonight.
Yes, I love this part so much.
Let me turn the volume up a little.
Wow, look at that! This is amazing!
The story is getting better and better.
I don't want it to end.
That was very funny.
Look! Look at the screen! Haha! That is so funny! Great job! That was wonderful!
Oh, the show is finished now.
Yes, it was a good episode.
I feel a little tired now.
Me too. I feel thirsty.
I will leave the remote here.
Acoustic guitar and ambient pads flow slowly.
Let's get some cold water.
Okay, I'm coming with you. We can watch again tomorrow.
Let me check inside the fridge.
Fades out gently.
I need a clean glass.
The water bottle is very cold.
I will pour some water for myself.
This feels so nice.
Ah, this water is perfect.
Yes, I feel better now.
Okay, let's go back.
What about the fridge?
Oh, right. Yes, I'm ready.
Good night, kitchen.
Why is the TV still on?
Very calm. Gentle humming.
I need to finish my report. Why is my computer so slow? Something is not right.
Piano slowly fades out.
Why are all the lights on? Nobody is watching the TV.
I will check the kitchen.
The fridge door is open! This is wasting electricity.
We are using too much power. The lights are flickering. This is not good. Oh no! The power's gone!
What happened?
Why is it dark?
I will use my phone light.
Okay, be careful. This is a little scary.
Electricity is being wasted.
too many things were left on.
I forgot to turn off the TV.
I left the fridge open.
When devices stay on, they waste power.
This can cause problems for everyone.
I will turn off the TV now.
I will close the fridge.
The TV is off now.
The fridge is closed.
I will switch off the hallway light. I will switch off the hallway light.
Let me check the fuse box. The power is coming back.
Good job, both of you.
I am sorry about that.
Me too. I will be more careful.
That is the right thing to do.
I must always remember.
I will check the fridge again.
Saving energy starts at home.
We all share this responsibility.
I will turn off extra lights.
I will turn off the fan.
Everything looks good now.
All switches are off.
I am proud of you.
You both did well.
I learned something important tonight.
Yes, me too. Small actions are important.
Saving electricity helps our family.
It also helps the environment.
I will always turn things off.
I promise to be careful.
We are a responsible family.
Yes, we work together.
Good night. I will turn off this light.
Everything is quiet now.
Good night, everyone.
Sleep well.